Hey guys, how's it going? How to remove shorts from YouTube permanently. So if you went right here to our browser, and it says right here, if you want to remove shorts temporarily from your Android or iOS app, you can do so by making shorts as not interested after playing a video of your choice. Scroll down to recommendations until the YouTube shorts section appears. Here, click the three dots menu at the top right of that short video. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just get back to my screen and I'm gonna demonstrate. Go ahead right here to your YouTube, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just wait it out. And what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna see this is like the shorts. Click the three dots next to the shorts, and I'm gonna just hit not interested, not interested. The same goes not interested and not interested, right? And as soon as I do, as soon as I point everything not interested, like point every shorts not interested, that means that I'm gonna turn off or make the shorts disappear permanently. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.